Hi there, welcome in. My name is Laurel with the Curated Caravan. We're gonna do a little thrifting today, and it's a beautiful sunny day, and we're gonna take a little road trip. So first stop, my local. I found one thing, this black wool scarf, and it is from Scotland. Where is the tag? Nice tag we like to see that says, if you can see it there, 70 mohair, 30 wool, made in Scotland, Hilltop brand. So I did pay $7.99 for this, but I think it's a good pickup. But that was the only thing I found at my first stop. So next stop will be my favorite, over in Angel's Camp. And I'm gonna try to do a little bit of filming. So hopefully I can be inconspicuous and use my little GoPro, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, stop two. How about 4 things, which usually I find a lot in this store and their prices are really good. But today was not one of those days. So I spent a total of $10.83 and I got 4 items. I got a Brooks Brothers white dress shirt. It looks great condition. It's Milano, all cotton, just a white dress shirt. I got a brand I've never heard of called Castle Denmark, and it is a women's polo shirt in a mint green. And I got an Yves Saint Laurent red tie with a little logo there. That was 99 cents. The others were $2.99 each. And then for $2.99 I got this leather, American Leather Company crossbody bag with the little wallet outside area, which if I show it to my mom, she will probably steal from me. But that's it so far. I'm gonna try some new places today because when I was going this direction the other day, I saw a few places that I have never, that are new. So I'm gonna maybe, well, yes, I am gonna try those because we're not doing so good today. But that's okay, that's all right. So let's see what we find at the next stop. Okay, this store, which is another store that I like. It's a hospice thrift store, which has amazing prices. So I got quite a few things at this store, and I only spent, I had a $10 off coupon thing. So I only spent $20, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. And I thought they were pretty good pickups. So let's see what you think. Okay, so I got a pair of sweatpants just for myself, just because they're these little cute. Colsey, I think, brand. So those are just for me. Those were $2.99. I got a House of Harlow sweater dress. It's a ribbed sweater with a tie in the back, long sleeve. Really cute, really, perfect condition. Got that for $3.99. I got this like blanket shacket and a real pretty plaid from Blank NYC, which does not sell for me. That brand does not sell, but it was a really cute jacket. It's like brand new condition. I think that one might have been the most. That was probably $4.99. They might have considered that a sweater hoodie, or it was $2.99 or $4.99. This is a Duluth Trading Company, which that brand does pretty good. A 2X button front shirt, and it's like a gardening. It's like got all little gardening things on it. So I think that'll sell pretty easily. Then what else? Oh, I got a few things that were all from TJ Maxx. This still have the TJ Maxx tags for $2.99. This is like a boiler suit in a dark brown. Oh, this dress is really pretty. It says maternity. It's ASOS design, and it says maternity, but I think you could wear it for whatever. And it's got this really pretty beading, these long sleeves with beading on the cuffs that are really pretty. It's just like this gauzy dress. I got this one. I think this one's very expensive. This is Copine. I don't know if that's showing up, but it's Italian made, I think. And, you know, it just looked like quality to me. And then I looked up comps on different dresses by them, and they were very expensive. You can just tell that one feels really nice. I got a Baltic Born, like a, you know, cottagecore kind of maxi, really pretty green dress. Dresses are all $3.99. And I got a Draper James chambray jumpsuit. And then a pair of Danskos, and I checked the soles really well, make sure they're not cracky. They do have a little bit of scuffing here on the sides, but Danskos always sell for me. They don't ever last very long. And then I got a little piece of pottery that I don't know anything about. It was just really pretty. And this lighting's kind of weird, but it's like a terracotta with a pink kind of glaze. And it does have the maker on the bottom, Luisa Perez or Perso, one of the two, Perez. And so, I don't know, it was 50 cents. And really, really pretty. So, anyway, so I just thought, why not? I'll pick it up. So that was it. I'm gonna get some lunch, and then I will stop by the thrift store that I have not ever been to. Not high hopes, but since it's back on the way, I'll check that out. So I'll let you know. Okay, last stop was a new to me thrift store. It was not bad. I got one thing, and the one thing, very big and bulky. It's this huge leather Tumi backpack. Big leather. It's got the inside plate and all the branding on the zippers. So I was like, oh man, it's not real. It's so big and massive. But it looks good. It looks good. Everything's branded. Oh, it's got a little cord on the inside, so it's for your laptop, I'm guessing. It needs a little bit of leather lotion, but I bought it for $5, so those things are pricey, so happy about that. Okay, hi there. Well, we are back home now, and we'll take a look at everything that I picked up today. Or no, this was day before yesterday when I did my little drive. And then this morning I stopped by TJ Maxx because it is yellow tag time. I think they're gonna mark down one more time on Friday. So I grabbed, I don't know, like 7 things this morning for really cheap prices, because you don't want to pay a lot for the stuff that you get at TJ Maxx. But I did see they had some really nice Vince cashmere scarves that were there. They were still $21, and with Vince, you know, retail or resale is not the best for Vince, so I don't want to. Maybe on Friday, which I know they are marking down again, so maybe I'll check it again on Friday and see if it's at a price that I would want to pay. We'll see. Okay, so here's just another look at the things that I picked up over on my drive. And I've looked up everything to look at comps so I can kind of give you an idea how much I think I'm going to get for them. So the cutest little bowl here, I couldn't find anything about this potter. I don't know if you can see the signature on there, but it's just the sweetest little signature, Luisa Perez. And I just love the glaze of it. It's just like a pinky glaze on this terracotta color. So like I said, I did pay 50 cents, so I'm not out anything. And it's just a really cute little bowl. the Danskos that are the tooled leather. Looks like they sell for about 50. I'll you know, put them up for hire and take offers, and I expect to get about 50 for those. So I will save what I'm expecting for that to me till later. Okay, let's see, which were the ones that I got. Let's see, we'll start here with the Yves Saint Laurent tie. Really, prices are about $50. Not $50, I wish $50, about $20 for the red Yves Saint Laurent tie. Not as much as I kind of hoped I would get for that. Obviously this needs a good steaming, but this is the Brooks Brothers white shirt. How much was this going for? I think maybe about 20 also. Let's see. Brooks Brothers. Oh, okay, so the Brooks Brothers was going for from $30 to $50 unsold, and it's in really good condition. There is absolutely no discoloration on it. The Castle, Kastel polo shirt. This one was getting about 25 to 35, and it is like a sun shirt, so it's sun protective, which is nice. The Draper James jumpsuit was going for higher prices than I was expecting. It was about from 30 to 70 were the solds on Poshmark. So even though it's supposed to have a tie, but that's an easy fix, you know, to put with your own belt on there. The Baltic Born maxi with the new tags was about 30, I think, in the solds. Yeah, 30 to 50 for that. The Copine, this little midi dress is very expensive retail, but oh yeah, so I'm expecting 50 to 100 on this little dress. The ASOS, even though this one is so pretty with all the beading and all the jewels, it's only going for about $20, I believe. 30 to 40, so a little bit better than that, but it's so pretty. I mean, look at the sheer back and those cuffs. The cuffs are so pretty. Come on, focus. Let's try this again. There we can see how pretty those cuffs are, and the beading on the front, and definitely you wouldn't have to be maternity to wear that. The House of Harlow square neck dress was about, they're $40 solds on Poshmark, so that would be great. I would love to get $40 for that. And then we have the Duluth. This one's not worth much. 20 bucks probably for the Duluth Trading Company little gardening shirt. It is also, I think, a sun protection or heat guard or something like that. Also not as much as I was expecting for the Scotland wool scarf. Maybe more, but it looked like only about $20 to $30, I think. Where is it? Oh, there were solds in the 30s, and it is it is mohair and wool, so maybe more, but maybe not. Then we've got the Young Fabulous and Broke boiler suit jumpsuit. There were solds from 40 to 50 for that one. And then the Blank NYC shacket. Lots of these listed. I don't think any had sold. So probably going to be a rough one, even though it's so cute and it's great for winter. But hopefully it will not sit forever. And then, oh, we've got the American Leather Company little crossbody bag with the inside pocket. Yeah, how much was that one? I don't think a whole lot. Yeah, 30 to 60 for this one. It's in really good condition too. And then lastly, the Best Buy was this Toomey backpack. It is an older, what they call a D3 model, which is on here on the plate, the inside plate. And it retailed for over $700, and there is one that is for sale on eBay for over $500. So I'm gonna put some leather conditioner on it, and it is over 5 pounds though, so that's gonna cost quite a bit to ship. But I mean, I would be thrilled to get $200 for a $5 purchase. That would be fantastic. And it is genuine to me. So that was a great pickup. That was my best pickup of the day for sure. So here, now we can take a look at what I got today at TJ Maxx Yellow Tag sale. I picked up a pair of Athleta purple activewear pants. I paid $4. Yes, $4. They're the Brooklyn lined pant, and they retailed for $109. And like I said, I paid $4. So I like that. Athleta still is a decent regular seller for me. So I'm gonna continue to pick it up until it doesn't sell anymore. This one is just a Perry Ellis men's like career but active shirt. It's kind of it's a stretch. What do they call it? They call it the motion with an expandable collar, and it's like a performance. It retailed for $70 and I paid $3. Yeah, $3. New tags. I like to throw in the new tags in with everything else. Then I picked up a DKNY mini skirt, retailed for $80, and I paid $3. Little navy, stripey, and so that they had a couple of those. I just picked up one because I hate whenever I get multiples, it sits. That's just how it seems to go with me. Then I picked up the brand Willow, W-I-L-O, focus, a little onesie piece for $3, retailed for $78 in a light blue. And then I picked up 2 of these knit dresses, which I think I have a couple of these already. Got a couple snags. I'm gonna pull them through with the crochet hook because they were $3 each, I think. Yeah, $3 each. And so I'm gonna, lower my prices on these and get these moving out of there, hopefully. Great for spring though. I mean, a little bright, sunshiny dress. I got 2 of those for $3. So I did get multiples of those. These will probably sit in my closet for a while. They are Spanx, and I only paid $4. Retail, no retail price, but they're the velvet leggings from Spanx. They're a small size, which, usually in the Spanx does not sell that great, but for $4, I thought, why not give them a try? And they're probably really great little shapewear legging in a rich burgundy. And then lastly is a little Beyond Yoga, little overall-y. It's got the wide leg, real comfort. One piece that retailed for $99 and I paid $6. I don't know why I paid $6 because I didn't look at comps and it's probably not good, but I did. I could always bring it back if I want to, if I look up comps and they're bad. So I will check that out and let you know. So that is it. That is my yellow tags. That's my thrift haul. And that's it for me for this week. And I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.